Shall I start? Okay, thank you very much. Welcome, everyone. Good afternoon. So I'm going to tell you who I am and who I'm not. So I'm not Alexis Panoussis. Unfortunately, he was not able to attend this event. So I'm George Farados. I am lead software engineer. I've been working for Agile Actors the last 4 years. And together, we are going to have a trip on the Agile Actors Experience, what we are doing, what we are not doing, for the next, let's say, 15 minutes, if possible. To begin with, I would like to present you what we do and what we don't do. We don't have our own product. We also don't take on projects for our customers. What we do is we are building teams of professionals of different tech stacks inside our customers. So imagine that there are some needs in the customers and of different seniorities or different stacks, and we are called to support them. So imagine that probably we are called to create a team from scratch in a customer or augment an already existing team in this customer. Our model also supports the grow and develop of the tech professionals. It's our, let's say, our product. It's people, because having well-trained people is what it matters more. And have in mind that we don't only care about tech development. We give soft skills, let's say, emphasis as well. Because if you all, I suppose all of you know that in a daily basis, we don't have only to write code. We have to collaborate with other people of other cultures, other languages, other stack, other goals. So we have to also support it. It's equally important for us to build our soft skills. What's our vision? To be the place of preference for ambitious tech professionals, a place where they want to evolve, to develop themselves. Currently, we are around 270 tech professionals of all tech stacks, and there are more than 60 vacancies. And we couldn't make it if we didn't have also the people and culture team around us. A team of 20 people support us in our day-to-day, inside our customers and inside Agile Actors, of course. So before going to the trip, I also had, as a tech professional of Agile Actors, I would like to present you the internal structure we have inside Agile Actors, and this is not else than chapters. What is a chapter? I would say it is a smaller community of people around the same tech stack that collaborate together in order to, with a final goal of knowledge sharing. Why is important? Because knowledge is power. And how we achieve that? It's like we have tech presentation around topics that we matter more. We have also customer stories. If we have a problem in a customer and we have resolved it, it's a nice opportunity to present it to other teams so they know what they have to face, how to solve it in the future. So what else we do? Live events, live trainings inside the chapter events. Some of the chapters, agile practices, Scrum and all this stuff as implementation of agile methodologies. Java, of course, people and culture, software engineering, test and infrastructure, web development, UI, UX, Microsoft technology, .NET, and data, of course. So now it's time to get you through the journey, this experience, and why this experience differs from other experiences, probably other companies. What is the special with us? So from my personal experience, I got contacted 4 years ago by the HR team. And it was like, hello, George, you are a Java developer. We want to collaborate. We want to have you to be part of our team. Let's see if it can work. First task, okay, of course, a technical assignment, some code. Next step, technical interview. The important part here is that we don't try through the technical interviews to just find out what someone knows or doesn't know. We're trying to fit our cultures, as I said previously, both in terms of tech-wise and soft skill-wise. Can we grow together? Can we grow Agile Actors? Can we grow the professional? And after this, of course, was the HR interview, more people, let's say, oriented questions and discussions. And tada, I was part of Agile. I was very glad to be part of Agile Actors ecosystem. So day one, what happened? I had, of course, to join a customer. It was an insurance company back then, and I joined as a mid-Java software engineer, having also experience in the front end and in general full stack. So I joined as a mid-software engineer, and I started working on my customer. And of course, we have some Spring Boot stuff and all JVM-related tools. Started, of course, developing the code. And then, quite special, because I had the support around it from Agile Actors. And how this support came through the 3 pillars. What are they? It's continuous coaching. First tool, an important tool. Every one of us is assigned a coach when we are joining the company. A coach that would be, let's say, he's our partner in difficulties we're going to find. He or she helps us on our day-to-day tasks, if possible, to build our personal development plan for the future, to explore our career opportunities. Our coach has already been there. He or she knows, and he or she tries to provide us with different options so we can understand where we want to go in the future. So it's more like they don't give us the fish where we are hungry. They are learning us to fishing. So first pillar is this. Second pillar is continuous learning. Quite important as well. From day one, we have... I can continue this slide, I think. Yeah. So from day one, we have access to learning platforms, online learning platforms, free courses to Udemy, Pluralsight, and Coursera. We can be part of learning events that are probably provided by Agile Actors or Agile Learning or different companies, but we can be part of it. And of course, we have the free internal courses that can build both our tech and soft skills, as I said previously. So this is quite important as well. Third pillar, and probably the most important, is, of course, our day-to-day experience. We work in a customer. We have to develop and apply our knowledge in there. We have to develop code. We have to do our tasks. So it's, as I said previously, not only the code, it's collaboration, other teams, is other people, all this day-to-day that sometimes it gets really difficult. So at the moment, we have more than 30 clients, large industry giants as Red Hat, Austrian Post, Swissquote. It's a new customer. Real projects, of course. It's projects that are production live. They work, they provide services in customer. And of course, we can move internally. The Agile Actor ecosystem is an ecosystem that supports an internal move. If you want to go to different team, to meet a new stack, to meet probably different libraries or framework around the same stack, or even change the stack. Personally, I had the experience and the opportunity to switch from Java to Node.js for a while. It was a position, it was a vacancy in a customer, and I thought that this would grow me as a professional, as an engineer. So it was like, I'm an engineer, I should try this as well. Why not? And why only Java? We are, at the end of the day, we are software engineers. We are trying to resolve problems and issues. So the tool depends. So Agile Actors gives this opportunity if you want to change a stack without also losing your seniority level. So how did I develop? As I said, it was trainings, it was coaching, it was changing account, changing a customer. I see different things, different teams, different culture. My first company was in Greece. The second company I joined was in Germany. It is GFK, for whoever knows it. Where am I now? I am a tech leader in a team inside our customer. I work with 10 people. We have Node.js in our microservices. We have Java. We have React in the front end. We have members work on these technologies. We have a Scrum Master, a product owner. So I'm tech lead in this team. I also am a coach. As I said previously, I am not only coached. I have some people that I help with their future plans. And it's very, very important because you can imagine that this is a process that you don't only helps other people, it helps also yourself. Because you have to understand where this guy is, which position he or she is in. So we develop even through coaching. So it's like continuous learning and development. That is our motto. And also I'm part of the interview process of Agile Actors. Again, very important step. We have to check if our people can join us, can fit our culture, if we can provide them what they want. This is the most important thing. It's not if we can learn a new framework. If we are engineers, we can do it. The thing is, can we do it together? That's Agile Actors. Thank you very much.